YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to boot a pen drive. I will show you how to download the official Windows 10 from their official website and boot to our pen drive. So let's start. At first we have to open the browser, and from here we have to type download Windows 10. After that, here the www.microsoft.com, it's their official website, so we can enter here. Okay guys, it's their official website. Now you can see that there is no download link available. To download the ISO version, we have to view the website in mobile mode. For that, I press on my mouse right button, then click inspect, and then click this device toolbar. Then it will show like this. Now reload the page. So it's the mobile view. Now we have to select the version from here. Windows 10, confirm. Then we have to select language. So here I click. It should be 100%. English, confirm. Well, now we have to select the version. It's 64-bit and 32-bit. Click on the 64-bit if you need 64-bit. Click on the 32-bit if you need 32-bit. So here I am downloading the 32-bit. Download. So it's 3.46 GB. So I'm clicking on download. Yes, it is starting download. 35 minutes. Okay, let it download. Now we have to need another software. It's called Rufus. Here I search for Rufus 3.11 download. Okay, click on it. Well, latest version, I'm clicking on it. Download, it's 1.1 MB. So I click on download. Yes, the download has started. Okay. Well, our Rufus software is ready now and the Windows is downloading. So it's the process to download ISO file and Rufus software. I have a ISO file already. I have downloaded it. So I pause this and I will show you now how to boot the ISO file to your pen drive. So let's do it. It's my PC. So here I plugged in a pen drive, my pen drive. Yes, you can see there, this is my pen drive. So now I will go for my files. Here I put it, ISO file and the Rufus software. You can see ISO and the Rufus software. So now I am opening the Rufus software, run as administrator mode. Update online. No, I don't need update. So here the view of Rufus software. So now we have to select our device. It should be our pen drive. So I'm selecting my pen drive. It's 16 GB. You can also use 8 GB pen drive. So 16 GB. Then boot selection. Here you have to select your ISO file. So I click on select. Now from my drive, and the folder is ISO. So it's my Windows 10 ISO file which I have downloaded earlier. So click on open. It's loading. Yeah, it's have loaded. So now the most important part, partition escape. So here is two options, GPT and MBR. So for selecting this option, you have to check your hard drive partition type. So let's how to check hard drive partition type. From here, this PC, click mouse right button and then click on manage. Here the computer management appear on our screen. So now go to disk management. Here is my hard drive basic. So now you have to right click on it and go to the properties. Then from here the volumes. Yes, now you can see here partition style master boot record. It's MBR partition. So we have to select here MBR. If you select GPT and your hard drive partition was MBR, it will not install in your hard drive. It will show you a error like this. Here I have downloaded a image of the error. It will show you this. Windows cannot be installed to the disk. The selected disk is of the GPT partition style. So if you do not want to get this error, you have to boot your pendrive in right partition style. So here I select my right partition style MBR. Then if you want to rename your pendrive, you can here rename your pendrive. Then everything is ready, just click on start, then OK. So it start copying ISO files. Let me pause the video and come back later. So guys, it's near to end. Now the pendrive is ready for Windows installation. We can now use this pendrive to install Windows in our any PC. So it's 64-bit Windows. Let's me check the pendrive. So here the pendrive. Wow, the bootable file are ready. Now we can use it. Hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. If you enjoy this tutorial and like this tutorial, please subscribe to my channel. And here you will get the how to active Windows 10 by one click, 100% working video. Now you can watch this video and active your Windows 10 Pro version. So guys, watch my next tutorial and thanks. Bye.